Hi everybody, this is Jeremy Harris with Evangel eUniversity. I'm inside Angel to show you today how to export your old Angel content and import it into a brand new Angel course shell. So to do this, first we need to export old content from an old course. So I'm inside right now my CPSC 311 Systems Analysis and Design course for, in this case, Spring 13. Now I go to the Manage tab, and under the Manage tab, I go to the Export Console. Okay. Now, I've already done this. I'm going to go through the steps and show you how to export it. But when everything's said and done, you'll have something like this saying it's been exported. But here's how you get to that step. First, I click on Angel Format. And it says, do you want to export all of these things? Just leave them all checked. It's no big deal. And you say, next. And what it does, it places you inside what is called the export queue. So basically, you're in line. You're being lined to be processed in the basement of Riggs Hall. And it will take a minute. It may take several minutes, even a day, depending on how many people are in queue before you and how big your file, your course content is. When it's done exporting, you will get an email from Phil Quilty, Angel Content Exchange Export, saying you are done. And again, this may take a minute, this may take a day. You have to just wait on it. Then, once you're done, you can go to the Export Console again, and you'll see this. Now, notice I've got another one coming through. It's just going to give me a 5-digit number _1 for, hey, this is the second time you've done this. So you can do it multiple times, but usually it only takes one. So what you're going to get from this export is a zipped file with the 5-digit number, the course reference number that is generated by CAMS and by Angel. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this zipped folder and you're going to click on it, and down here at the bottom, do you want to save it? Yes. And I recommend you do Save As. Click the arrow and Save As. Then go to your classes, or you can save it to your desktop or wherever you'll remember. I put it in Angel. I create a folder called Angel Exports, and I'll actually create a folder that says CPSC 311 SP13, and then I'll place the 5-digit zip folder inside of this. Don't change the name of this. Do not change the name of the 5-digit zip folder. And I hit save. So that's the entire content of my course zipped, and it's going to load into saved on my computer. Now, once you've saved that folder, remember where you saved it, you get out of the old course. So I'm getting out of Spring 13 in this case. I'm in Angel. I'm going to go home, and I'm going to go to the new course. So whenever, for each new semester, CAMS will have Angel create a brand new empty Angel shell. No content. You have to put the old content into it. So I'm going to go down here to Spring 14 in this case. The next time I teach this class, here it is, CPSC 311. I click on it. I go to the Manage tab. And in this case, I say Import Console. And it says, what do you want to import? Well, we'll just do a content package. That's all you need to do. And you're going to import that zipped file. So you go browse to your computer, and wherever you saved it, your desktop inside. So here's my folder, my Angel Export CPSC 311. There's my folder right there, 67724. I can double click on it, or I click once and hit open, and it says, oh, I've got a file, and this upload button becomes active. I click on it, and depending how large your file is, it may take a minute, it may take 30 minutes for it to upload. Hopefully you don't have a super large filed content. So it's uploading it right now. And guess what? Now it moves in and says, do you want to import all these things? And go ahead and leave them all checked. Now, if you do just want the gradebook or something like that, then you can go in and uncheck some of these and just say, hey, I just want the gradebook stuff, like gradebook settings and assignments. Or you can just do all of it. Hit next. And you're now in the import queue. Again, now you're in line in the basement of rigs saying you're next in line. It doesn't give you a time or date when it will be done, but you will receive the email again saying your import is successful. This time, the end product will be under course content. You'll see all of your folders and your Angel objects appear here. Under the Manage tab, if you've used the gradebook, you will see, skip the wizard here, you'll see all of your columns and everything ready to go. All the data from the other class will be here inside once this import is complete. And again, manage, import, and you can see you're queued, and when it's done it'll have a green check mark and everything will be there. Again, this will take anywhere from a couple of minutes to a day depending on when you are in the queue and how large the content is. But you will get an email saying it is finished. Okay, so that's how you export old content and import new content inside Angel. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a contact me through email or give me a phone call. Thank you and good luck. Bye.